Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the screen position on your PlayStation VR 2 headset if you're on the home screen or playing non-VR games. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you're on the home screen and you go ahead and look up with your PlayStation VR 2 headset and you look above the screen, it'll say press and hold the options button to reset the screen position. So look in the direction that you want to go ahead and reset the screen and hold the options button down. And you'll see the screen move. So if I look all the way over to the right, my screen will move over to the right. And you can center the screen exactly where you want it. Now this may be a little bit off target compared to where you're looking. So just go ahead and try to adjust it the best you can. But if this video did indeed help you guys out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.